How to uninstall the Valorant completely from your PC or the laptop. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can completely uninstall the Valorant from your PC or the laptop. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go into your settings. Now once you are in here you have to go in the apps, and from here you have to click on the apps and the features. Now here you have to go in the app list, and here in the search app you have to search for the Valorant. Now once you are in here you have to click on these three dots, and here is the option of the uninstall. You just have to click on it, and after that there is the confirmation to delete or uninstall the Valorant. You just have to click on it, and after that you just have to go back, and from here you have to go in the file manager, and from here you have to click on the local disk E or the F, and from here you just have to find out the option of the Riot games. Now from here, as you can see that here is the option of the Valorant. You have to right click on it, and from here you also have to delete it, and after deleting it you just have to go back, and here you have to again go into your Windows and you have to search for the Run app. Now here in the Run app you have to type the app data and simply click on the OK. Now you have to go in the local, and you have to scroll down, and you have to find out if there is any option of the Valorant or not. And as you can see that there is also option of the Riot games. You just have to click on it, and as you can see that there is the install Valorant. You also have to delete it, and after that you are able to completely delete the Valorant from your system. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.